Good morning, students. Today we are going to read the chapter first of Geography, Resources and Development. As we discussed the name of chapter, Resources and Development, so we will read two themes in this chapter, Resources and Development. Let us see first resources. Question arises, what are resources? Everything available in our environment which can be used to satisfy our needs, provided it is technologically accessible, economically feasible, and culturally acceptable, can be termed as resources. Very simple, that everything which is around us and fulfilling our need is resource. But conditions here, these should be technologically accessible, economically feasible, and culturally acceptable. Now, let us see in the interdependent relationship between nature, technology, and institution. So we can see here that how human beings interact with nature through technology and create institutions to accelerate their economic development. Now let us see that how we classified the resources. We classified the resources so that easily we can understand resources are of two types, natural and human resource. First, let us talk about the natural resource. We all know that natural resources are the resources given by nature. So what are these? Renewable and non-renewable. Now what are renewable? Renewable are continuous or flow. For example, that wind, water and solar energy. Second, biological. Biological, which we gain again and again, like natural vegetation and wildlife. Such, many type of vegetation, we human being don't contribute anything, but still they grows. These vegetation grows, and we usually used to say these vegetations virgin vegetation or natural vegetation. Then non-renewable resources, what are these? These are of two type, recyclable and non-recyclable. What are recyclable? For example, metals we melt again and again, and we give them different shapes, and we can use uh, again and again these resources. Recycle system is there, but some are non-recyclable. These resources we use and finished, like coal, petrol, fossil fuels, and other are human resource. Which are these? These are like structures, institutions, quantities and quality. Now let us see about the living things and non-living things. Names are telling us that living things are which have life, non-living they have no life. Living things, plants, protists, animals, fungus, bacteria. Non-living, water, soil, light, air, mineral, etc. Now let us see the resources on the basis of origin. You can make here one question, that how we classified the resources on the basis of origin. You will tell about the biotic and abiotic resources. Biotic, which are obtained from biosphere and have life, example human being, flora, fauna. Abiotic resources composed of non-living things, example rocks and minerals. Let us see there are two parts. In one part you can see biotic factors, all another part you can see abiotic factors. On the basis of exhaustibility, we can classify the resources on the basis of exhaustibility. How? For example, here wind energy, solar energy, etc. you can get again and again it. But here non-renewable resources, another side, we use once and finished. Now let us see the difference between renewable and non-renewable resources. Now let us see the answer of this question. Renewable resources are the renewable or replenishable resources which can be renewed or reproduced by physical, chemical, and mechanical processes. Examples: solar and wind energy, water, forest, and wildlife, etc. Renewable resources may further be divided into continuous or flow resources. For example, wind, water. Now let us see about the non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are formed over a substantially long geological time. Example: minerals and fossil fuel. As we know very well that these resources take millions of years for their formation, and these can be subdivided into recycled resources. Example: metals, as we have discussed before. Non-recyclable resources, for example fossil fuels, which cannot be recycled and get exhausted with their use. You can see here various examples of renewable resources. Hope you got about the various resources on the different basis. Thank you. Next we will reach in next video.